Hello everybody, it's Donna. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm just popping on. This is going to be a quick little video just to give an overview of the join offer that Stampin' Up! Has on right now during celebration. So this is going to end very soon. It's going to end on February 28th. So if you're interested in joining or rejoining, this is a great chance to do so. They have 3 options available right now. The first 2 cost $175, which is more than what the normal one is, and that's because you have a choice of the blue Boho machine or the white one. Now this is the white one that I have. This is the mini one that's coming in the kit if you want that option. So you can get this, it comes with the plates and all that, or you can get the blue one right now during celebration for $175. Now with that $175, of course, you get to pick free product. Your free product is $225 that you get to pick. So for $175, you get this, and you get $225 worth of product. That is $60 more than that we normally offer. Okay, so that's option number 1 is the blue machine. Option number 2 is the white machine. Option number 3 is no machine, because some people actually might already have that. You still get to pick $225 worth of Stampin' Up! Product, but you only pay $135. So option number 3, $135, but you get to pick $225 worth of Stampin' Up! Product. Option number 1 and 2, $175, but you get the option to pick one of these 2 machines, but you still get $225 for the product. So really, 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 this is like getting this machine, which is normally $86. All you're paying is an extra $40. So this is only going to be costing you $40 added onto your starter kit. So that's pretty amazing. So if you're interested in joining, $175, and you also get this machine and $225 worth of product. I am going to leave up on the screen. It's going to be my web address, my URL for my site. You just have to click on the join, and it'll walk you through everything that you need to do. If you had any questions, please feel free to email me. My email link is in the description below as well, and I hope you join our team. Thank you.